People they are foreign, run come here. Uno talk about say the people they are foreign country cool and we take up we self come here. God born we in a one tropical country where the sun a shine, but we want the people their money and we come in at the people their country. No the climate change pan we are ball so we cool. Mark, and myself, me attack, right now, overtime, me a doing my people in country. Me say me wake up this morning. When me look out that door, me can't see nothing. A fog me a see. And the place icy. Me say, Jesus Christ, look how me in a one freeze out myself. Me nah go out there. Me supposed to go somewhere, go pick up something out there. I don't think me can go out there. I might have to call the people them and ask them if they can give me one next day. Look like them forgot some me is a Jamaican. Me can't take the cold. I go. No walk around here, son. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, YouTube. Yes, people. This morning, I make one video, I'm a seminar come out of my house. I'll go on next day. But I have to come out because them have deadline. So I could have changed the appointment, people. So good girl have to get up and come pick up what she's supposed to pick up. But anyway, finish doing me I do and I walk go home now. So I decided I'm gonna go live. So I'm at Tower Bridge, my favorite bridge, and I'm gonna make my way home. So in the meantime, guys, if you like what you're seeing, please do take your little time and tap up the live, please and thank you. If you enjoy watching this video or you like the view, please show your support by tapping the live. Thank you. Let me look on this. Nice. Anyway, I forgot. Come here, come up on that the bicycle there. This is the early morning view. As I said, I wasn't gonna come out this morning, but I decided I'm gonna come out. Let me share my live with my friends because thank you, Jamaican girl, for liking the live. Really appreciate it. Because some of them sit here and looking but not sharing. Let me share my live. It's really beautiful. Yes, thank you. That's the reason why I like to go live, so people can see, because some people don't have the opportunity to be here, so it's nice to show what goes on in London. In the meantime, guys, please stop up the live. I'm going home, but I'm taking these shortcuts while going live, and you're able to see where I'm going. Tivoli Garden straight ahead. Tivoli Garden straight ahead. Only a Jamaican always know if you have fun, don't it? Thank you for joining my live. I'm going home, but I'm taking the opportunity to go live so you guys can see. In the meantime, guys, please support the live by tapping it up. Keep it active. Rich people settings down here. Rich people settings down here, so. And we have some restaurants here at night. These light up. And the place just look festive. See, nobody now move them, you know. Somebody look like they gone with that one there. That's far ahead. Sticky mango. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to support the live. Yes, it's night. It's real nice at night along the south bank. It's nice. Rich people settings down there, so. Big anchor. Rich people settings, my love. They can live on this, you know. They don't need one house. Bedroom and everything, the on this and kitchen, living room, balcony. You see what I talk about? Dream big, guys, dream big. No, sir. The rich people with huge mortgage. Alright, hey, if I tell you. So Uber boys. But a rich people settings, my love. Very nice. Manifest what you want, people, and work hard towards it. Nothing is impossible. Trust and believe. Can you hear a wharf down there, so?
Yeah, huge services.
I'm glad I come out. I this time I not come out, but I'm glad I come out. The view nice and the walk nice. 360, guys. I go now on 360. 360 upon them. 360. 360. 360. I say, people, my hand cold, you know, but me I go now on 360. Okay, Lisa, walk. 100k now go far. London. No, my love, you have to go out with more things. Thank you. Grammy. So some people are go have their Christmas dinner, open Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day. So you can book your nice dinner. So where am I going with it? Over here, so. Anyway, let's go. Soon reach my yard. I'm glad the day them put me here so to live. Them put me right at the right place. Them put me. When I'm bored, I can take a little walk, come down at the River Thames here, so. The right place them put me, people. Could choose a better place for them to give me my permanent place. See them dirty water, yeah? No, what I go on. My phone got drop in here, so you know. Me murder. My phone drop. Lisa, walk and come go your yard, you hear? So we just take some shortcut on the back road. On the River Thames side where I walk. enough of people. It's okay. Yeah. Try not to put it on people. But little girl, you like walking, you know? You like to walk. Walking is good. It's a form of exercise. But this morning I had to walk. I say people, my finger, them a cramp up. But me I do it. I still I create my video. Come here, I go use it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna repost it on my YouTube, on my Facebook. Ta-da! Look at me now. See my shadow? Hey. I can't move, you know. I have to wait till the water rise. Nothing here, so can't move right now. They have to wait. Rich people settings down this. Good morning, guys. Just saying hi, and I'm just sharing my live with you so you guys can see what's going on. So thank you guys for joining my live. Soon and very soon I'll be at home, so I'm gonna come off and put my finger them back in my jacket because I'm cool. You understand? Anyway, let's go again. I want to see what going on, you know. Want to see nobody back at me? No, I just me and one there. Thank you guys for liking the live. Thank you for tapping up and supporting. Yes, really appreciate it. So let's go, guys. Let's flip the camera once more. Hi. Flip the camera. Let's go. We're having a London walk this morning. You understand? That's what's going on. So these roads were made for chariots. If you don't notice how small them is, they didn't make these roads for car. Because it look like they never know say it gonna develop like this. Then things you'll be a chariot to go there. I see you something. They never build for car. That's why you don't get no car space over here. You have to pay to park. So it's a little London walk in the early morning. Thank you guys for joining.